Hey guys, my name is Shipra. I'm a fourth generation calligrapher and my brand is called Calligraphy Designs. I'm teaching you the calligraphy drills today. So starting with, you need a graph pad and a calligraphy pen. I'm using a manuscript calligraphy pen. It's easily available on Amazon. Get your hands on it. So I'm using a 45-degree angle. Just draw it in a corner, put your pen on it, lift it and keep it exactly the way you lifted it. When you go up, it'll make you a thin line. When you come down, it'll give you a nice crisp thick stroke. Practice your drills. Learn how to use the pen well. Then create beautiful artworks, beautiful stationery for yourself. Whether you're a student or you're looking at doing your own wedding cards, just learn the basics and you're ready. Give 10 minutes to each drill and you're ready. Practice with me. Try it out. If you have any questions, post them. I'll show you the next drill